Living in Rockford means experiencing a wide range of weather conditions throughout the year. From frigid winters with icy winds to humid summers with frequent rain, your home's doors face constant exposure to the elements. While doors are often chosen for their style and curb appeal, their role in protecting against moisture and drafts is just as important. With proper installation, modern doors do more than just look good. They shield your home from weather-related damage and keep your family comfortable year-round. The challenge of Rockford's climate. Rockford's seasonal shifts put significant stress on exterior doors. Winter. Freezing temperatures and strong winds can force cold drafts into your home. Spring and summer. Heavy rains and high humidity increase the risk of moisture seeping in. Year-round. Fluctuating temperatures can cause older doors to warp, leaving gaps around the frame. Without the right protection, these conditions can lead to higher energy bills, water damage, and an overall drop in comfort. How proper door installation prevents drafts. Drafts are one of the most common complaints among homeowners with older or poorly installed doors. Even the smallest gaps around a frame can allow cold air in during Rockford's winter months. Precision sealing. Professional installers use weather stripping and insulation around the frame to eliminate gaps. Tight fit. A well-installed door sits squarely within the frame, reducing air leaks. Energy savings. By preventing drafts, your heating system doesn't have to work as hard, lowering your utility costs. For Rockford families, this means more consistent indoor temperatures and a noticeable improvement in comfort. Moisture protection through quality installation. Moisture intrusion is another major concern in Rockford's rainy and humid seasons. When water seeps through or around a poorly fitted door, it can cause serious problems such as warped wood or swollen frames. Mold or mildew growth. Structural damage to floors and walls near the entryway. Proper installation ensures that every component, from the threshold to the frame, is sealed against water penetration. Many modern doors also feature moisture-resistant materials like fiberglass or steel, which hold up far better than traditional wood in humid climates. Materials that make a difference. The type of door you choose plays a big role in its ability to withstand Rockford's weather. Fiberglass doors. Extremely resistant to moisture, they don't warp, swell, or rot. Steel doors. Durable and secure, steel doors provide excellent insulation when installed correctly. Wood doors. While beautiful, wood requires extra maintenance in Rockford's climate. With proper sealing and installation, they can still provide long-lasting performance. Pairing the right material with expert installation gives your home the strongest protection against both drafts and moisture. Added benefits beyond protection. Investing in new doors and professional installation does more than solve drafts and leaks. Homeowners in Rockford can also enjoy lower energy bills. Efficient doors help maintain indoor temperatures. Improved comfort. No more cold spots near entryways. Enhanced security. Stronger frames and advanced locking systems protect your family. Boosted curb appeal. Stylish designs make your home more attractive and inviting. Why professional installation matters. Even the best doors won't perform properly if they aren't installed correctly. Professional installers understand the unique challenges of Rockford's climate and ensure correct alignment for a snug, weatherproof fit. Proper use of insulation and sealing materials. Long-term durability and warranty protection. By choosing expert installation, you safeguard your investment and ensure your home stays comfortable in every season. Final thoughts for Rockford homeowners. Doors aren't just an aesthetic choice. They're a vital defense against the region's moisture and drafts. With modern materials and professional door installation, you can keep your home protected from rain, snow, and wind while lowering energy costs and improving comfort. Upgrading your doors means more than a stylish new look. It's a smart investment in durability, efficiency, and peace of mind, ensuring your Rockford home is ready to handle whatever the weather brings.